good morning. Welcome everybody. Joey, good morning, good to see you. What's happening? All right. New day, new opportunities, right? All right, how you guys doing? Well, it seems like the new week opening gap has been almost totally repriced. So there's still a little bit of a portion left up here. Just saying. All right, let's see this. I'm gonna give a different color, a little bit brighter. All right, so that's still there. Argana, hey, Argana Futures, welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to see you on the channel. All right, so let's break it down as much as we can. Okay, all right. I'm gonna update some settings on the Streamlabs bot because I know it's spamming you guys a lot. So I'm gonna change some settings. Overnight was due to Japan. Yeah. I think it should be recovering. So overall, in short words, I would say I think it's gonna recover and close the new week opening gap. That's what I'm anticipating. Although it can do whatever it wants, and we still have another new week opening gap, remember, up there. So I think we have a good chance to close this one. So I think we're bullish, at least for the short term, at least to wick up there and reprice. Didn't even start my quant hour. Rob, good morning. Hey, welcome. Good to see you. Dynasty, welcome. What up? What up? All right. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to change some settings on the Streamlabs bot. So it should not be spamming that much. All right. I'm going to change the line settings. To okay. Okay. Line minimum. I'm doubling up everything, so it should not be spamming that much. Okay. I'm trying to. Okay. No. We'll see. Anyway. Oh, what is happening? There. Now it's better. Yeah, just close Streamlabs. Hey. No, I actually I updated some settings. So it should not be spamming all that much in the future. How you doing, John? What's happening, guys? Oh, Quant Tower. All right. And my Discord. Let's fire up the good old Discord. Good morning, Mary. How you guys doing? Oh, by the way, let me go down to this 1 minute chart. So obviously I'm a little bit still bullish for this new week opening gap. So I'd like to see this go higher. All right. Seems like it's going up a little bit. There's still some space below, and there's a bullish order block at 290 on the 15 minute. So if you look to the 15-minute chart here, it's a bullish order block, technically. Starting at, let's see, the open 289. So it's starting at 289. Bullish order block. 15 minute. Let's see. It could go down there and maybe reprice lower at 250. So gotta be aware of that. And that's it. Low is 315. Yeah, 10 points down. Should go. Should go. Looks like another meltdown. Could be. I'm not specifically wanted to go higher, but we have a new week opening gap still, you know, which is not closed yet. It has not been touched. A portion of this, which is actually about almost 20 points, which is left from the new week opening gap. So that could be still closed, you know. That could be still closed up. The Mad Scalper, no, I'm not in a position. I'm flat currently. If I jump in, I'll let you guys know. Currently, I am absolutely flat. No position. No position. Why is it not showing the balance? Let me. Okay, now it's okay. So no position. George Mikhail, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Oh, looks like it is going down. Should be breaking the 15. Looks like that. Might even put in my probe trade of the day. Sell limit at 24.50 to a scalp. Actually, I'm gonna put it 25. If it goes up there, 25 is my sell limit. The probe trade, that is. No, it went without me. So it's melting. Okay. So it seems like we're going down for the order block. 289. I would think so. You know what? Why not? I jumped in. I jumped in for the probe trade. And if it goes up to 318-ish, I'm gonna add one more. 319. The limit would be at down there at 290. Let me show you the trade and the position right here. I've put a limit order as well to 319 to add one more to this if it tags me in. If not, then obviously I'm not. Okay, I put a buy stop there if it tags me in. So not only with one micro, this is the probe trade of the day, just to see how's it hanging. And for the stream, hashtag for the stream, you know. Let's see if we can get this account to 52K. How about that? How about that? Let's see if we can get this to 52K with micros. Maybe we can. Hey, Robert, the Macedonian, the coffee feels good. The coffee is great in this morning. How you doing, man? Good to see you here. How is your morning? Oh, wow, look at that. It's going. I'm still holding it for 90. Maybe I should put it to break even, though. Yeah, all right. All right, we got this. And there is a liquidity void down at 82. Totally forgot that. I could have held it until 82. Let's check it on the micro. No, it's not even on the micro. Where is my micro MNQ? Let me edit. Futures MNQ. We don't have it on the micro. Well, we have it on the mini. Liquidity void at 82. Anyway, now it's going up a little bit. Doing good, no complaints. All right, got slapped by NQ. I think a lot of us got slapped. Yeah, part of the game, absolutely. Even I got slapped a few times by NQ. Especially me. I was doing some crazy trades. Fortunately, I didn't lose an account, but oh, it was a struggle. It was a struggle. All right, so we took out we mitigated the order block. I'm still not sure if this one wants to go higher just now. It might just gonna continue to melt. We have the VWAP down there at 240-ish area, so be careful about that. I'm gonna be watching for the VWAP down here. Until it's done, I think we can return to this congestion area. On the 5-minute, it's just repricing right now. Some levels. I think if it goes up to 23, it might just turn around. Yeah, I think it will go to 23. I might even scalp it. I'm gonna scalp it. 10 points here and there, who cares, right? If it's not going there, then obviously I was wrong. Oh no. I'm just giving back my profits here. No, it's coming back down. Okay, it was nice while it lasted. I just gave back the profit from the scalp. It seems like we're going lower. Oops. It seems like we're going back down lower. Yeah, it might sell off. Yeah, let's check out the Asia high. Totally forgot. Totally forgot. There are some levels down here. For example, this 252, which could be a possible sell side liquidity. It's the it's part of the order block technically. I might target that. 54, that is. So I jumped into a trade. I'm doing all this crazy stuff because once it's just an evaluation account, I think I did good. Oh my god, guys, do you guys see it? You didn't see it. You didn't see it. Let me show you. It was so fast. I just couldn't. Look at this. Jumped in here and boom. Went down to the tick. Look at that. Took me out to the tick. Oh wow, this was crazy. Took me out to the tick. All right. Trades. It's gonna be fine. So entered on this candle. I don't even know this one, and the next one, boom. Look at that. Absolutely to the tick. It took me out. Nice. That was awesome. So what was the low here? 52. Yeah, almost took out the entire order block. And the funny thing is, I think it can still go down. FX and Trophy, good morning. Good to see you. Where have you been, man? Bob, there's serious lack of liquidity on NQ. Gaps everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. There's definitely. So I've been trading ES since the too much whipsaws. Yeah. Nissim, hey. How you doing? This is how slapped me. Then volume out of the blue shows up. Oh yeah, this is This is what it does. It's just, you know, out of nowhere, boom, slaps you in the face. I do limit buy VWAP. See if it can go close the gap. Yeah, maybe. So if we get a rejection in this area, obviously this is an order block. We are inside of a 15-minute order block, guys. If we get a reaction from here, then the nice target would be all the way up to the new week opening gap. I don't know if it's gonna happen. If we check on the 15-minute, look at that. We still have a fair value gap down here. Well, partially open. This. So we still have that. So not sure. It still didn't go down there. And we have the VWAP here. So I suggest, and I mean, I would say that first it might just go down here, you know, take some liquidity and then maybe, but not sure. Not sure. Hey, Juan Barcenas, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you here. Been a bit busy lately. Was trading only for a couple of hours. Then enjoy grills and pulls. I know you do that. You do the grills and pulls. That is you, Juan. Welcome to the channel. Too damn hot to stay in the house. Well, you know, it's summer. What can we do? Juan, welcome. Thanks again for joining. Good to see you here. Let me know if there's anything I can help you. All right, 5-minute VWAP was 260, but look like it's gonna come step me out. Not necessarily, but this is why I said we still have liquidity level down here below this level. The 251 is the bottom of the bullish order block. And we have the fair value gap here and the VWAP, so it could be still interesting for a price to come down there and, you know, you know, take some liquidity here. Who knows? You know, I think there is still liquidity down there, but I might be wrong. Some major earnings came in with more misses on margin side of things, so it's more likely to the downside at this open. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. That's good to know, actually. It's good to know. All right. Let's see. There is a small fair value gap up here at 300. It might want to reprice. Who knows? One, I like to share. I got my first pay through Top Step. Wow, dude! And today I blew my funded account and don't know if it was me or volatility. All right, first of all, Juan, let me give you an applause. One, you got your payout from Top Step. That's all that matters. So congratulations for reaching a payout. And the other thing that you blew your funded account, unfortunately it happens. But hey, rest assured that it is, it is a great achievement that you made it. So that proves that you can make it again. So don't worry about it, Juan. I think you're gonna be just fine. I don't know what could have happened. Obviously, if you were a bit oversized or overpriced, oversized and over leveraged, too many positions, it could happen. Be careful with the minis. Huge volatility. Go with the micros. But hey, congratulations. My scalper, my stop is now at 260. That's a reasonable level. You see? You should be fine. Actually, I'm going to delete this. Dynasty 30-minute turtle soup. ES. The top of it. Nice. Let's go. Let's go, Dynasty on ES. Yeah, you're doing it. 52.76. Okay. Let's see how it goes. John D. QQ. Oh, Lamin. Hey, welcome. Good to see you, Lamin. Hope you had some good trades. QQQ 11 calls for end this week would be a good day. Well, yeah. Gintoki, hey. Welcome. Good to see you on the stream. All right, so it seems like it doesn't really want to break the order block just yet. So let's wait a little bit more. It might want to spike above the 21. Might want to do it to go above the 21. I'm not sure. I might go in with the scalp to see if it really wants it. I entered to a very, 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 very small position just to see if it really wants it or not. All right. I'm just curious if it really wants to scalp it. The 20. A few extra dollars never really hurt. I mean, it hurts to lose it, but just come on, do it already. There you go. All right. So it did go up. We'll see what it does. I'm buying since 263. All right. Super micro stock plunges 14%. Revenues shake up confidence in AI play. Really? Revenue miss shakes up confidence in AI play. Why would they be concerned about the AI play? I mean, AI is the future, right? We're gonna be wiped out like in the Terminator. So I'm telling you guys, the biggest enemy, I mean, everything is gonna be like in the Matrix or in the Terminator. So AI is gonna so obviously that's gonna happen. All right. Herbicides will be everywhere soon. Yeah. I wish, right? If they would be so sophisticated and well made, like you guys saw the Westworld series on HBO. If some of you guys saw that series on HBO, I think it was a masterpiece. It's unfortunate that they didn't finish it. They canceled it. But I think it was a masterpiece in its own category. So if it's going to be like in Westworld, then I'd say awesome. Then I say, wow, that's cool. Gabriel is here. Invest in foil and cover up. Oh yeah, good to see you, Gabriel. What's going on? All right, I think I'm gonna jump in. All right, I don't know why I did that. Now this trade is super risky. I strongly advise don't do this because I don't even know why I did this. Maybe it's because I was so attached for this to go short. I started to sell at the very lowest of the price. So I'm in a terrible drawdown already. Yeah, I'm gonna get blown here with this position. Look at my perfect entry, just at the bottom of this. At the very bottom. So, perfect entry. Thank you, Tom. Great job. Great job. My target would be all the way down there if it starts to move, but it might want to reprice higher. So I wanted to add to it, but I'm not going to add to this position now. I'm just going to get blown from this. I don't even have a TP right now. I like the girl, the blonde. I'm going to do some QQQ 12 contract for next week. Let's go, John. No one does it like Tom. I know. There's a saying I always say, guys, you know, 50% of the time, every time. All right? 50% of the time, every time. So trust me on this, 50% every time. Now it's gonna take me out. I don't care. If it wants to price higher, we're gonna look for the next one, obviously. It's gonna be like this. I was actually lucky before with this trade. If it's not taking me out down here with profit, I'm gonna be most likely out with a stop loss. So obviously I was super lucky with the previous trade. There's no take profit on this one right now. Yeah, the 49.99% guarantee. 49.99% of the time, it works every time. Let's see what it does. I think it's gonna go higher. It's gonna be fun. Anyway, I thought that we're gonna take out the order block, guys. If you switch to the 15-minute chart, which I'm gonna do to show it to you, if you look to the left, this is a bullish order block. Price perfectly got down almost to the bottom of the order block. Perfect reaction. So the order block did, I mean the price did react to the order block, did react. And now, question remains, is it going to go down once again? So let me show you. So order block here. Price went all the way down there, got a reaction. So is it going to shoot it higher, or is it going to react once? I mean, is it going to go once more, take out the bottom of the order block right there, and, you know, go down into this 15-minute fair value gap. And we still have the VWAP down here. Okay. So, yeah. Order block, VWAP. We have this long wick candle on the 15-minute. It should be repriced at least to the midpoint. Anyway, just my 2 cents. I think I'm almost there. I'm not out yet, but who knows? Sorry, I sneezed. Laszlo Granovic, hey, good morning. It was Oleg. Welcome. I think we have a fellow Hungarian trader. Welcome, Laszlo. Mamba Fox, hey, welcome. I wouldn't guarantee down. Yeah, there's no guarantee it's gonna go down. It was just interesting to see how it got the reaction inside of the order block still, and now pushing higher, obviously. No worries. It takes me out, it takes me out. It's fine. Next target would be up there at the 353 area. I'm just gonna put a marker right there. Buy side liquidity. Okay. All right. And if I go down to the 5-minute, yeah, obviously we have good targets up there. Same fair value gap on the 5 and the 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna say we have a very good target here as a, well, 5-minute fair value gap. 5-minute slash 15-minute. Okay, so that's a good target. We're gonna keep that on the radar to see what it wants to do, and you know, we're gonna continue to monitor the order block, and we have some levels here. I mean, look at this, guys. We have the fair value gap, the VWAP down here. We have targets 5/15-minute gap, the midnight level, new week opening gap still partially open, which is previous day high, I think, yeah, which is the New York PM session high. Asia high, I would say, is up there still. It's not perfectly Asia high, but we have quite a few levels that we can hover between. It's not usual like this, but you know. Let's check on the trade. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna go to, yeah, that's gonna be my take profit. So my VWAP is higher now. It's higher. Could be. I don't know. These are the settings that I use. I use this VWAP AA indicator. I don't know if there's any other settings that I can go with, but this is the VWAP I have. Not that I trade with the VWAP, I just recognize it that it's there, and that's it. It is not moving now. No trade. Yeah. Trader Monk. Good to see you, Udv. Gabriel, 15-minute oversold, 5-minute above 2 EMA. But yeah, I think it's almost like NQ unplugged. You know, it's a little bit of a decision point, like a coin flip or something. Now, if we zoom this out, obviously there is a shift in structure on the 1 minute, which doesn't mean anything. It's repricing it now. So it just repriced that fair value gap. Is it an indication that it wants to go lower? I don't know. I'm not sure. Shifted structure here with a down close candle. This is only a wick. Of course, it's not a confirmation that it's definitely going to go down, but looks like it wants to shift lower, but it can change any second. NQ unplugged. Yeah. Gap fill down, maybe. Maybe. For now, we're just going to hover around here. To be honest, I see this position being taken out. So, but anyway, it's just a small position. Like, it's a probe trade. So I don't really mind. By the way, guys, please help out the stream and push the like button and subscribe to the channel so we could do some giveaways soon. All right. Thank you, thank you. You guys are awesome. Higher lows? Could be. Yeah, it could be setting in some higher lows. That's quite a possibility, to be honest. That is quite a possibility. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now it's going higher. Yeah, it feels bullish. It feels like it wants to do at least one more leg up, or maybe even straight go higher from here. So I think this position is doomed. It's doomed. We'll see. But yeah, it's gonna take out this level, almost certain of it. And I feel like it's just gonna go maybe even higher to the order. I'm sorry, fair value gap at 52. I might look into that if it wants to go higher. I'm gonna put a line there. Just to remind me. $52.50. Well, on the micro, it's $51.50. So let's see. Let's see what it wants. Let me delete this. It's irrelevant. I mean, good for you. Hopefully you're in some profit. Good morning, Komodo. What's happening? Don't worry, if you find me in other streams, I will always... Oh, hey. Don't worry about that. No problem. Komodo, why are you saying that? You can go anywhere on the streams, you know. You're always... welcome here, and you can use anybody's code, Komodo. You know, you can support anybody you feel like, but I'm very grateful for using my code, Komodo. You know, you're a freelancer. You know, you can support anybody. You're always welcome here. You know. The thing is, guys, whenever you buy any evaluation accounts, just use some code. It doesn't have to be my code, of course. You can use anybody's code. Just don't leave it at the prop firm. There are some standard codes that they send you in email, or they have it on their website, whatever. you know, don't leave that money on the prop firm. Just give it to someone, to your favorite streamer, trader, whoever it is. Just don't let it stay at the prop firm, you know, at least. Good morning, Sarah. What is going on? No, you didn't miss it. You didn't miss it, Komodo. Gabriel is just teasing you. It's still gonna happen. Don't worry. It's still gonna happen. Oh, thank you, Sarah. Thank you so much, Sarah. I really appreciate it. As I said, you guys know I have absolutely, so I'm just saying I'm super grateful if you use my code, but you're welcome to use anybody's code. Obviously, there's a lot of streamers in the trading space who are affiliated with these prop firms, and just don't leave it at the prop firm, you know, guys. But I'm very much appreciate if you think of me. Obviously, I'm not a profitable trader. I'm not making constant living from trading payouts, I mean payouts from trading, sorry, yet. Obviously, that's the goal. So the affiliate commissions do keep me here full time, and I'm very, very grateful for that. All right, look at this. It's going down, maybe, I don't know. What you recommend for good payout? Sorry, I didn't read that. So the best payout policy, I think, is with obviously, I mean, there's a good payout policy depending on your style and everything. For good payouts, I would say MyFundedFutures is great. Bulenox is good. I love TopStep too. I think it's a great company. The $200 per day is a little bit frustrating to me. It gives a little bit of an extra emotional pressure, because if you reach a payout or whatever, I mean, you always have to, in your mind, it's always like you have to focus, like, okay, I have 3 days above $200. I still have to make 2 days, so that's giving you an extra pressure. I know $200 for many traders is not much per day on a funded account, but trust me that the magic is different when you're on a funded account, especially on a 50K account, and you're aiming to make $200, because it goes into your subconscious, you know, and you're just aiming for, okay, let's go for 200, and you're focusing on the money. And it can mess up your thinking process. 200 is maybe a little bit too much. At MyFundedFutures, it's $100. So 5 days, $100, and you can request a payout. It's a little bit easier, I think, to manage. But, you know, it's up to you if you can handle it. If you're aiming for more, then TopStep is very easy as well. But for me, MyFundedFutures is way easier. Bulenox is also very easy. There's no minimum profit days or whatever. You just reach your threshold and request a payout. Anyway, that's I did blue a few accounts with TopStep because I was already on fourth day above $200, and of course it was my quote-unquote final day, which was the final day for the account, to only make another 5. And I was so focused on, come on, let's just do one more 200 day, it's gonna be fine. And I was like, let's go, and I was forcing it. I was feeling the pressure, you know, and I did some stupid trades, and of course I blew the account. And so that put me into a little bit of an emotional roller coaster. But still, TopStep is one of the best, and I think maybe the oldest, so it's a good company. The payout policy is the only thing I would change a little bit. So MyFundedFutures is easier in that case. But Bulenox is super easy. Weekly payouts, just reach your threshold. And of course, Take Profit Trader, daily payouts. Take Profit Trader is a little bit harder because of the daily loss limit is a hard breach. So you have to be really careful. But Take Profit Trader, daily payouts. So that's not a bad thing. Greetings, Spy Girl. Good to see you. Good to see you. On TopStep funded account, another good point. They don't have a oh yeah, there's no consistency rule on the funded account. But let's be honest, guys, and I say this with all respect. For example, on a 50K account, which is very popular in futures, does it really matter that much? I mean, obviously, I know some traders who are going in with a lot of contracts and full size, maybe, who knows. You want to make more. 40%, for example, if you're aiming for $3,000, then your best day should not be more than how much is that? $1,100. I mean, if I make a few $100, like $300-400 on a funded account, I'm not touching it. I'm moving on to the next funded account. That's how I do things. So I don't want to aim for the full profit. If I make a few $100 on a 50K funded account, I stop. I stop for the day for that account. I move on to the next one. So I don't really care about the consistency rules because I never go there. I never really reach the upper level. I mean, that level of consistency, but I mean that level. So I'm perfectly fine with it. I've been funded 4 times and then blew them on the that pressure is that's why I'm saying it's a little bit, especially for someone who is, you know, I'm not saying new, but you don't really want to push it with minis, or you want to trade small, like $100. In many cases, guys, I just stop trading when I make $100 on a funded account because I'm a turtle trader. I'm super slow. So Spy Girl, I'm good. Kitty, hey, welcome. Long time no see. How have you been? Üdvözöllek, fellow Hungarian trader. Üdvözöllek, jó, hogy itt vagy? All right. And TopStep lets you trade news and however you want. Yeah, TopStep lets you trade the news. You can DCA the hell out of your account. It's up to you. You don't have to explain. Yeah, no questions asked on TopStep. That's true. That's true. By the way, that is their best thing. They let you do anything. Also, Bulenox lets you do anything. Bulenox, you can do whatever you want. No questions asked. You can DCA, trade the news, whatever you want to do. Yeah, best DJ in town, 100% agree. I think next to TopStep, the other closest prop firm that gets like trading with your own money is Bulenox. Bulenox, the only thing is the 40% consistency rule, but I was just telling you guys about that. So I'm saying that Bulenox is technically almost the same. You can do whatever you want on your Bulenox account. Anything is everything for now. I'm not saying it's not going to change, but for now, at this moment, you can do everything you want on your Bulenox account. Bracket orders on news trading, DCAing, inconsistent contract sizing, micro scalping, you name it. You can do anything on your funded account. Until now, I don't have any other information that you're restricted. So, and it's the cheapest upfront cost. Do take profit, reset drawdown. Do take profit, reset the drawdown next day. Yes. Yeah. Yes, of course. Obviously, you have to make sure, Suzy Lucy, to don't go over that drawdown limit because it's a hard breach. But the next day, you're going to be extended with the drawdown. So yes, it's going to reset. It's going to add more drawdown. We can say that. So just stop for the day on that particular day. If you're very close to that daily drawdown limit, just stop. because it's a hard breach, and I'm saying this to everyone. That's the thing. So MyFundedFutures has a daily loss limit at $1,200 on the 50K, but it's a soft breach. You can continue the next day. But with Take Profit Trader, it's a hard breach. You blow the account. You're long 260 on Top Step, so I would be already had to close it. Yeah, I understand, Matt Scalper. Yeah, that's good. Plus Top Step X has a lockout. Oh yeah, the lockout system is actually not bad. There is no way you can go back in there. Once you're locked out for the day. That's it. Life is busy, but always good. Not really active trading lately, but at least hey, that's a good thing, Kitty. That's very good. At least you have your accounts. I'm glad. They actually encourage DCA if you're building a position responsibly. Okay, there you go. I know that, I don't want to say names, but I know that some traders on Top Step TV, they do DCA. Like, they just keep adding to their losing positions, and they're doing it properly, and they're managing it. And if they see it going the other way, I mean against them, they just close it. So obviously they have a good risk management, and that's it. You have the same entry. Let's go, Spikel. Can you repeat that? On Top Step, you can trade, yes, you can trade news on Top Step, but you can trade news on Bulenox too. At Take Profit, for example, you cannot trade the news on the funded account. At Bulenox, you can trade the news. Or I would say there is no restrictions in the agreement or anywhere on the website, I checked it, that you cannot trade the news. And so far, I know people who got paid out multiple times who were trading the news. So with Bulenox as well. Dakota does it a lot. Oh, there you go. But up to 3 plus full size contracts, there you go. Big bowlers, Top Step TV, they DCA on the house account and get hammered. DCAing, yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'd say that the closest you can get to your personal, to trade as on your personal money, the feeling is with Top Step and Bulenox, because no restrictions, absolutely no restrictions on the funded account. Now, speaking of evaluation account, basically there is a consistency rule on Top Step and Take Profit Trader, I think. Otherwise, you can do everything on these prop firms on the evaluation account. So obviously it's a business model. It's for their income, obviously. So I know it's like a two-edged sword. That's how they say it. Anyway. But the funded account, the least restrictions is with Top Step and Bulenox. Also, fast track trading seem to be good. End of day drawdown. These are instant funded accounts. End of day trading stop, and no daily loss limit. And if you request a withdrawal, you can continue to trade on your account, because even if you go into a drawdown, when you request a withdrawal, you're gonna get automatically an email that you requested the amount of money, and you can still continue to trade. I don't know how they do it, but that's how they do it. I don't know. It's instantly deducted or something. I don't know. Yeah, they're saying that, the Mad Scalper, they were talking about it. I don't know still if they're doing it or not. I'm not sure if they removed it already. I think they said they are going to remove the daily loss limit. I don't know, because I have like evaluations with Apex, Bulenox, MyFundedFutures. I was concentrating on these evals. I still have my TopStep funded account, but I don't have new evals with TopStep currently. I'm sorry, combines. And despite all the things, until now, it seems like Apex is paying out people. I hope it will stay that way. My request is still pending, but I'm not expecting any kind of response until the 15th or 16th or whatever. So oh, Juan, oh my god, let me give you an applause. Thank you so much for the donation. You shouldn't have done it, but thank you, I greatly appreciate it. Juan, thank you so much for the tip. I'm gonna have to disable the sound because there's gonna be an alert coming in soon, and the music that's on it is unfortunately copyright protected, but Streamlabs is a little bit slow, so there should be an alert coming off the screen soon. But thank you so much, Juan. Greatly appreciate the gesture and the tip. Here comes manipulation. Let's see. As I told you guys, I think Holy Grail, good morning. I think there's still unfinished business down here. Obviously, I could be wrong, but this is what I think could happen this week. And there you go. Here's the alert. Thank you. Juan, thank you so much again. Thank you for the support. So Streamlabs is slow. I don't know why. Guys, I have to go out for a brief minute. I'll be right back in just a minute. Push the like button, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Let's see this trade. Sorry guys, I'm back. I just had to check on something. So, thank you so much for joining, everybody. Still sitting in this. And let's see where it goes. Obviously. Oh, we had 100 viewers. I'm very I'm super flattered, guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you would like to help me out, it's free to do. Push the like button. It exposes the stream and helps out the channel. Thank you, guys. Push those likes. Thank you so much. All right, look at that. Now we're going back. The only reason I mean, not the only reason, but obviously I didn't want it to close this trade. I think we still have unfinished business. As I told you guys, I think we have some stuff to do down here. We're not done yet. So I'd like to see this go. Marco, good morning. Good to see you. Sorry, I didn't say hi to you yesterday on Jay's stream. But I did saw that you were saying hi. So hi. All right, let's go. Let's see. On the 1 minute, we have this. We have this fair value gap, but it seems like it's just gonna trade through it. Yeah. Interesting. Oh yeah, because we had the London Open. I just walked out on you guys on the London Open. Sorry about that. I haven't even checked the time. Oh no. Well, obviously this is 1 micro, so I'm not gonna get all messy because of this. But okay, so if we're going higher, then obviously, well, you know what? I think this trade is gonna get F'd here. So I should just close it maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Good morning, good morning. How you doing, Marco? How was your day yesterday? Hope you made some good profits. Gamecraft trades. Oh my gosh, the man of the hour, Gamecraft. How you doing? Long time no see. Long time no see. VIP member, guys. We do have a membership. It's called the Winners Club. You know. Gamecraft is from the Winners Club. How you doing, man? Good to see you again. Abs. Yo, yo. What's happening? It seems like you've been busy. I hope with trading. Or maybe chasing some girls. Maybe. Who knows? Let's see. We're just stuck here or what? What is happening? Yeah. No money, no honey. Exactly. Exactly. So about this trade, as I told you guys, 50% of the time, every time. It works 50% of the time, every time. Or maybe after this trade, I'm just going to say 40% of the time, every time. Dominic, good morning, my friend. How you doing? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Waldo AJ, good morning. Good to see you again. All right, all right. Super happy for you guys and everybody. I'm still sitting in this. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I think it's gonna take me out. It's fine. Now, if it takes me out, I'm gonna be curious which direction. I mean, is it just going to be a liquidity sweep, or we're going straight up to the fair value gap? Obviously, we're in discounts, so I wouldn't be surprised if we just go up. Yeah, I'm gonna get taken out. Yeah, I'm out. So let's see if we have the displacement. I'm out here. And are we going to go? I might gonna try to go long here. Maybe it's a bad idea. I know it could be a bad idea. Maybe go to the 50s. Not sure. Let's see. No way, dude. What is this volatility? Did we have some news? I think we had some. What news we had this morning? No news. Somebody talking, or what is happening? I just got flushed again. All right. All right. All right. If this is what you want, NQ, I can play this dirty. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. What was the target? 51. The only thing I can do this is because it's an evaluation and only with 1 micro. So yesterday I did this. I managed to pull the account up over 1,000 or something. I don't even know. Just FYI, before you guys think I'm totally nuts and crazy, which is true. I did this yesterday too, and last week too, and it was fun. I'm drinking my coffee and getting ready for work. All right. Well, you know, just hold on there. I didn't realize Bulenox is only rhythmic. I was going to buy. Oh, well, yeah, it's rhythmic only. It's rhythmic. Unfortunately. I'm sorry about that, Abs. Vivian, hey there. Yeah, it's rhythmic only. I totally forgot to say. That's true. That's true. It's my fault. But it's rhythmic only. It's rhythmic only. All right, one more. Okay. All right, that's it. Let's see if it goes. Added one more, so that's it. Asia was crazy. Stay over. Yeah, it could be a chop session, a chop city. So be careful, guys. There could have been a liquidity sweep, and then it wants to take lower everything. Don't know what to think. Oh no, guys! Now I'm in drawdown. This thing is just super crazy. I don't know what to think of this. It's gonna go higher. If it's going to chop around here. Anyway, I'm gonna go in drawdown. I was up like 60 bucks or whatever. Now I'm gonna be down like 60 bucks. It's gonna be a hard start in the morning. Anyway, yeah, it's going up. What the heck? Back to Chop City. What is this level? 13. Yeah, it's gonna go up. Reprice that 1 minute gap up there. Nevertheless, if it tries to go down once more and aim for that fair value gap and order block low, I might jump in again. So who knows? Let's chop city, guys. Yeah, that's it. And now I'm in drawdown. 50 bucks drawdown. That's what you get when you go super crazy with scalping. And obviously reprice this level. I might jump in again. I don't know. I do have to watch myself now because I don't want to go on tilt and full crazy with this. Reprice this 1 minute. Maybe my stop should have been higher. I can try to okay, I re-entered. Last chance to have a stop at 21-ish. And maybe go down again. But I did re-enter. So if it trades down to 93-ish area, then I'm just gonna tighten up my stop. Oh, you guys don't see it, sorry. Then I'm just gonna tighten up my stop. And if it trades below 88, I might go into yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna put this here. Actually, I'm gonna put this here. So it's break even now, at least. I'm telling you guys, it's maybe I should put this here. I'm gonna put this back here. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna let it breathe a little bit. If it trades above 15, obviously it wants to go higher in this chop city, and you know. I don't know why I'm married to the idea so much that it's going down. I'm on fire. You should have seen yesterday, Dominic. Yesterday, I managed to scalp an account. I don't even know, somewhere. I mean, 2 accounts. One account I scalped over almost $800 with 1 and 2 micros. The other account I scalped another 700 or 800 with 1 micro. So it was a fun day yesterday with micros. It's ranging no trade, yeah. First trade is at the opening, they create a wick, yeah. What do you like about FTT as a prop firm? Well, you know, about fast track trading is first of all, the price that you get a funded account, the end of day trailing is a good thing. The payout policy is good. There's a 20% consistency rule. I know for many traders that's a little bit frustrating, the 20% consistency rule. Otherwise, I think it's not much more difficult than other prop firms. You know what, guys? I sold one, and I'm gonna put this to break even here because this is doing some crazy stuff. So at least I'm at break even. And obviously, I think there is a demand in the prop space for funded accounts. I think a lot of traders, I'm not saying, I mean everybody, even the less experienced traders don't want maybe to waste time on evaluation account. It depends on your personality. Many people willing to pay for the instant funded account, and so far nobody has done it. So we have one here. Oh, thank you, Dominic. Well, if I zoom it out, let's put on some stress. If we zoom out the candles, I think we're going down. We should be. Oh no, we're not. Dude, we were so close. Actually, the low of this would be down here. I'm just putting it lower. It's at 51. I might even put it down to 51. Why is the price different? All right, now I have to trail it. All right, I'm closing it. I'm closing it. I should not be greedy. I should be happy that I got myself out of the drawdown, but I think it's gonna go down to 51. There you go. It's gonna go down to 51. It's not even a question. Why did I close it? I should have left the runner. But it's like 60. Where did I close it? I closed it here. 70, 50. It's like an extra 40 bucks. So I throw out an extra 40 bucks on the window. And it's gonna go down, trust me. Now I can feel it. I can feel it, guys. It's gonna go down to 51. It will. Anyway. Yes, I'm using Quantower. Steam. I'm using Quantower and switching between Quantower and TradingView. There you go, 51. I should have just held it. The FOMO is real, guys. The FOMO, guys. The FOMO is real. I should have just held it. I would be up to 450 bucks. Anyway, should have just held it. Okay. No worries, guys. Moving to the next one. So we tapped into liquidity. Yeah, absolutely. Better not to be greedy. I absolutely maintain discipline. I wanted to play safe and get out here because who knows if it's gonna have. It could have just happened like it gets down, takes this wick, and then bounces back up. But look at that! Wow, through the VWAP, down into the 15-minute fair value gap, and let's go out to the 1 hour and see what is happening. There's a fair value gap down there as well at, I mean, the Asia lows are down here. Are we going down to 18,050-ish? I don't know, but I'm gonna draw another fair value gap here. Up. This one. $15-minute fair value gap. Okay. Let's see what happens. Gotta go see you, Dominic. Sorry, didn't read that. See you later, Dominic. Have a good day at the work, and you know, just hang in there. All right. How far can we go? How far? We still have some targets up there. So we could see some rebound in price and then go up there. Let me check. No, nothing special yet. I'm a little bit eager to scalp some more. But who knows? Oh, thank you for the subscription, Walter X Khalifa. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. All right. Oh man. I jumped into along with one micro. Maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe I shouldn't have. Why do I do these stupid trades after a good trade? Trying to catch a falling knife here. Shouldn't have jumped in this. All right, I'm out. I did a very small scalp. I jumped in. But hey, I was in drawdown. I'm in slightly a profit, but most likely break even. But don't worry, guys. This is not the trade of the day. It's still gonna happen. Man, it feels like we might be going lower here. No way that this is going higher. I just put myself into an instant drawdown. No. Why I did this? I jumped into a scalp to take out the low. And before I could have put my stop loss, it just spiked up there, and now I'm just watching my account melting away. This is going to make everything much more interesting. All right, I have to close it. Nonsense this week, yeah. Everything is nonsense right now. Trying to scalp it. Oh, come on, man. Just take it. Just take it. All right, back to profit. Finally. I was a little bit worried there. I entered with here. I entered with 10 micros, which is 1 mini, because there was a level at 259. My finger was on the close button, almost closed it when it went down to 48, and I managed to pull it back. But man, good morning, Creed. How's it going? How is it going? I wish all the best to you too. I wish all the same to you too. All right, let's see what price is doing. Hey Sam, how's it going? Welcome, good to see you. How you doing? I was just checking some emails. All right, so we repriced a 5-minute fair value gap. And we might be going lower, but if this was the target here on the downside for liquidity, then we might gonna go higher to the 5/15 minute fair value gap. So we'll see. Let me know if anybody's in a trade. Yeah, seems like we're going higher. There's no level yet that I'm interested in. I mean, I'm not gonna go short here on this because I think the job is mostly done in this liquidity area. So, but I'm not gonna go long because I just don't feel like it. I don't see, like, I don't know. Right at this fair value gap, price can just go sideways and maybe turning around. So it's best to wait right now. Just enter long, hey Zach. No, I can't right now. I don't have a confirmation. Not even on the sub 1 minute time frames. I do have 15-second, 30-second opened up. I'm watching those two, how prices are printing. I even have 5 seconds somewhere. But currently I'm just waiting. You see? I don't know. We'll see what it does. Likes the rejection from 15. A minute fair value gap. Hey Art, good to see you. Exit 1, stop break even. Let's go. Not bad. That's very good. Congratulations. Not bad. That's actually super great. Yeah, it seems like it wants to go higher for now. I'm a little bit tempted. Let's see how it reacts, how it's working around in this 300 level. It might want to go to the 350s. I'd like to see that. All right. Actually, I jumped in to a long position. Targeting the highs here. So no stop loss yet. I'm trying to determine where should I put the stop loss. Oh, you guys don't see it. All right, there it is. So I'm trying to determine where to put the stop. Somewhere here, I think, but not sure. Not sure. Let's see. Okay. Hovering here a little bit. Scaled out, 5 micros. Nice. Let's go, Sarah. Tom, just buy another account in Bulenox. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the support. I heard about FlexiTrade, but never tried it. I never tried it. Greatly appreciate the support. Thank you again, Holy Grail. All right. Oh, you guys don't see the trade. It's not looking that good now, actually. So I heard about them, but no other information. Let's see what happens here. Am I gonna get taken out here? But if this is just a bullish flag thingy, then it should pick up sooner or later. No, it's gonna take me out. It's fine. It's okay. Yeah, I'm out. All right. All right, where can this go? Is it gonna turn around? Let me see the 5-minute repricing this level. I might jump back in. I don't know. I jumped back in just to give it a little bit more space to breathe. It's not gonna do it. It's it would be great to see this go to the 50s, by the way. That would be a great target for price, but doesn't seem like it wants to go. I'm using a very tight stop here. But I think it's just can go sideways and take me out from this position. It's just gonna be one of those days, I think. Why is that? Future accounts are way cheaper than Forex. Well, it's a good question. I think it's most likely because the business model is a little bit different. It might have to do something with the data providing services, the licenses, and such. I don't really know the back end, so I wish I could tell you exactly, but something like that. And I think it's a different business model, mainly. So futures prop firms obviously making the big money on the activation fees. That's their best income source. Obviously, when there is a huge sale, I mean, like Bulenox does it and Apex with the cheap upfront costs, then many people tend to buy 10, 20 accounts. And, you know, it has a psychological edge too against the trader because it's building up bad habits. Because obviously, if you buy 10 very cheap evaluation accounts, then you're building up bad habits for the funded accounts, right? Because you're just gonna gamble. It's building up the gambling habit, which is not a good thing. Wow, look at this. And you know. I think we're going down to, are we going down to 50? We might. I might going to regret this. To jump in like that, but I did. Oh, I'm exiting. I can't hold this because there's a liquidity void up here at 80. If it gets up there to 80, today is super aggressive scalping session, just saying, with micros on evals. Yeah, today I'm super aggressive. I wasn't even reading. I'm super aggressive. Yeah, I'm trading differently. This evaluation account up there is dedicated for super aggressive micro scalping. And yesterday we brought it up to this level. So obviously I had a good run yesterday with micros and with scalping. And I thought that why not? I mean, why not continue with this account? On the London session, I don't want to trade my fundeds right now, maybe in the New York. So maybe because you can't keep trading overnight. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's a different thing. Yeah, that's a good observation, obviously. Flex your muscle a bit. Yeah. But yeah, I'm definitely, this is not my main trading style, so that's true. That's true. This is not the way I usually trade. Thank you, FX Intraver. Yeah. Morning time. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, doing okay. 2,500 secured. Whoa. Yeah, you should be walking away from that account. You should be walking away. That's a nice job. Good one. Congratulations. You did well. All right, just waiting here, staying flat. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I switched from gold to GJ. Oh yeah, that moves a lot too. You're welcome, Reza. This has been a rough year so far. Oh, it was, Walter. Good to have you here on the stream. It was a rough year. It's ranging. And look at that. We just made another liquidity void. Like, that's the problem. There's, you know, trading is absolutely crazy. There was no offers here in between these prices. And it's just jumping all around. It's absolutely crazy. So I think it's going to return to the 90 right now, maybe, to reprice that. And yeah, just did it. And now again, it feels like, you know, all right, jumping into a long. It repriced everything, inversion. I'm not gonna get to a little bit of a drawdown here, which is fine. I jumped in at 94.75 to a long. Trying to see if this one wants to go higher. Still don't have a stop loss. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna risk a little bit too much on this, but I jumped into a trade. It's okay. So I'm in the long. Doesn't look that good. Oh man, I don't like it. And now I'm giving back my profits again. I'm in drawdown almost again. This was not a good choice. Jesus, the fighters are flying again. Maverick and the boys. They're doing it every other day. Alright, have to close it. What the hell is price doing, guys? I have no idea. I closed it and it spikes up. Thank you. Great. Yeah. When you scalp progressively, the goal is to take few points and close the trade. This is very very stressful, but exciting. Oh, yeah, it is. Good morning, J-Ho. Haven't been here much. No problem, J-Ho. You know, it's always good to see you. I know you're busy. Volatility has been nuts. Oh yeah. Volatility has been absolutely. The markets have been absolutely crazy. And I just got myself into a drawdown again. This morning I was just drawdown back to profit, drawdown back to profit. So I can't really say what's happening anymore. Jumped into a trade again. For a short, taking off one if it breaks 58.50, and if it breaks it, okay. Putting this to break even. And putting this lower. It's been absolutely crazy. But yeah. But you know, before this, we didn't have any major volatility, so does it wants to go lower? What the hell does it want? Actually, I'm taking it because I was in drawdown again. So this is what I'm doing all morning: into drawdown, back to profit, into drawdown, back to profit. I mean, it is stressful. It is stressful to scalp or morning. I'm not watching the XY. I mean, I have it, but I didn't pull it up. But yeah. I mean, some pro traders who I agree with saying, why am I doing all this stress instead of just focusing on one trade? And it's true. So scalping for the long term is mentally draining you down totally. Yeah, it's like nothing. Yeah, Motivation Healing. Hey, great Asia session to chop it this morning. I have to come back later. Yeah. Thank you for being here, Motivation Healing. Hope to see you later. Hope to see you later. Peter, good morning. What's happening, Peter? We're going to reach lower 142. Yeah, could be. The thing is, if we go to the 5-minute, look at that. There's no clean direction yet. I think it just wants to sweep liquidity. The direction is still not clear. We're narrowing down into this range. We have a liquidity void at 68 on the mini. And nothing on the micro, but the mini has a liquidity void. Obviously, price would like to come back here. There you go. And trade inside this void. So we'll see. Let me know what you guys are up to, or are you guys in a trade or something? This is actually not soda or some sugar, whatever. It's actually water which has sweetener. Hey Will, good to see you. May I ask an off-topic? Sure. Do you think quantitative platform is better, less PC resorts hungry than NT8? That's a very good question, Will. Honestly, I don't really know the answer. I was trading with NinjaTrader last year, and this year I switched to Quantower, and my computer is an old computer. It's like 6 years old. I have a 2070 Ti GPU and an old 8700 CPU, 32 gigabytes RAM, so it's an old computer and no issue. So with NinjaTrader or Quantower, didn't really experience any drainage in resources like freezing or anything, like small glitches here and there, but only maybe 1 or 2 times, nothing. So I don't know which one is draining the PC down more. Good idea, good question. I can't answer to that. Actually, I'm not even a technical guy. I don't know much about computers. I actually want to upgrade my computer, but yeah, no trade. This is poor quality setups. Yeah, not enough volume. So Will, I'm not sure. I don't know how. I can't give you a straight answer. Yeah, just got long. 249. Let's see. Yeah, you have to be careful. Oh, look at that. And we are going to have volume injection in 1 minute. I asked us FTT are offering full Quantower package included, launching in a few days. Because they're giving you rhythmic connection, you should be able to log in. I mean, you can log in with Quantower to Fast Track Trading, Will. So you can log in there with your Quantower, because they're giving you rhythmic credentials. I think it should work out. I'm not sure about NinjaTrader though, because they don't have a NinjaTrader license. So at least that's what I've been told. They don't have it yet. So does FTT has trade await? No, but they said they're gonna have trade await from September next month. And also they said that they're gonna have credit card payments next week or after. But the accounts are gonna get more expensive because of the credit card transfer fees and such. And so if you want to get cheaper funded accounts, you're better off with the wire transfer. I'm not sure if they're going to keep the wire transfer after that or not, but they said the credit card purchases are going to be more expensive for the instant funded accounts, of course. So yes, we have Crypto Panda. I'm not sure he's here today. He's on Discord as well. Crypto Panda, Methodical Man. I'm Crypto Panda. He's not streaming, but he got paid out. And I have 2 other guys who got paid out who's not streaming by Fast Track Trading. So they pay out so far. That's all I know. I guess the trading in, I mean, the prop firm industry, there is a demand for instant funded accounts, I think. Yeah, it sounds too good to be true, but it depends on the numbers. It depends on what are the numbers, what are the percentages of failing accounts, you know, people losing their accounts over trading, because obviously they make money from the failed accounts. So we don't know the numbers, and we will never know the numbers because of the competition in the prop space. But I would say I like them to be successful in the long term because I think there is a demand. Okay, volume is coming in, by the way. So let's see what's happening. I think this pretty much created a support here. Just don't know if it wants to go higher or not. So hopefully they will survive. $2.99. Are we gonna go to the 300s? I wonder. I don't know that. Oh, hey, you're welcome. Oh, you bought 350k Bulenox. Oh, great. Yeah. Oh, you're very welcome, Albert. I'm the one who's thanking you for the support, so thank you so much. Dude, you don't have to, you know, there's other streamers online who offer the same discount. I'm just grateful you chose me. That's it. I'm grateful that you chose my code. So thank you for the support. Especially the 5 target and drawdown. Yeah, the 5% target and the 5% drawdown is a good ratio, obviously. Yeah. TP hit. Congratulations, Reza. Good morning, Otti Yoregat. Good morning, fellow Hungarian traders gathering here. Nice. Art. Some long in the setup. I'm looking for support of the 200. Curling up. Let's go. 62% retracement. Plan today. Well, the plan today, I mean, so far, just to summarize what really happened and what's the plan quickly. We went down to take the liquidity from the 15-minute fair value gap. It didn't go lower to the next 15-minute fair value gap. I was chopped up in this thing. So I was in profit, then in drawdown, and profit. So I was just chopping myself up in this range. I think we should be heading higher to the 52 level sooner or later, to that 5/15-minute fair value gap. So I think that's a possible target. And then we still have a portion of the new week opening gap left open. So there's still some places to go. We're in daily discount. Yes, we're in daily discount. I would say you're heading up to the 52s. But actually look at this 5-minute range here. This whole thing. This is absolutely untradeable. No clear direction. Yes, we swept liquidity, but now we're just narrowing down. If you go down to the 1 minute, look at this. I don't trust this. So if I would see a displacement above this candle, not with the wick, but with an up close candle, then I would be looking to go for that 352 gap up there, but nothing else. Tom, you should make a test to know who is in your best follower. Who is my best follower? All right. How could I do that? What's the way to do that? All right, let's wait for this 1 minute candle. It could be closing higher, and then we'll see what it does. By the way, if you haven't already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer to 3K. I'm super grateful for everybody. And, you know, if you push the like button, that's good for the stream, exposing the channel, better for the YouTube algorithm. So thank you guys. All right, we have a displacement here on the 1 minute. So I might gonna engage aggressively with 2 micros. 1 micro now, added 1 micro, and if it's starting to reprice this 1 minute gap, I might add 1 more. So I jumped in with 1 micro, and I'm willing to add 1 more micro. If it's not gonna do that, obviously I'm targeting the 50s. My take profit would be somewhere at 48. I don't have a stop loss yet. Let me show you guys. That's my trade. I don't have a stop loss yet. I'm waiting. Actually, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna put a hard stop here. It's not my final stop loss. I think it's gonna go down because there's a liquidity void. It should be wicking lower. If it goes down to below the 300, I might gonna add 1 more. So I'm gonna be putting a position, a limit order down to 299.25 if it wicks down there, and that's gonna be my final position. I mean, not final position, but I'm not adding more to this trade, as I meant to say. Let me put this back to 48. And I'm going to be putting a sell stop somewhere down there. If I get triggered with 1 more micro, I think I will. I think I will get triggered. So that's how I'm looking. Oh, 1200 on 50K combine. Congratulations, Sarah. Nice going. Good trade there. 289. Oh. You're welcome. Massive price action, yeah, Vivian. Secrets of the unknown. Tom, she said I need to inject liquidity into her fair value gap in order to pass it. What should I do? I think you should inject the liquidity. You know, you have to inject that liquidity. That's awesome, man. Just go and inject that liquidity. You know you have to. You know you have no other choice to do. But it's a crappy price action, to be honest. I wouldn't be surprised if I get taken out from this, because look at this. It should have moved fast into the higher level, into those 5/15 minute gap, but it's just not moving. So I expected fast movement up there. The only good thing is that we're above the 300 level, and so far it's holding. But yeah, it doesn't really go anywhere right now. Anyway, I still leave that 299 there. Let's see what it does. We break down trend line. In a minute, I think it will go up. Could be happening. I don't like these candles. Doji candles, indecision, could be a turnaround. There could be a down close candle below the 305 level. It's just having a hard time to push. So, yeah, could be. They can close 3-minute bearish fair value gap. Yeah, it's fighting for it, but I mean, the thing what I would like to see, if it at least it would just, you know, wick inside the gap, that would be enough, even if it turns down from there. Try Fluid Traders SMC light indicator. Oh, I never tried that. Fluid Traders SMC light. There you go. Whoa, what is this? I mean, okay. Oh, what is this? Kind of interesting. Otti, è super. It looks superb. Quite interesting. Point of interest, yeah. Look at that. Point of interest. What else do we have? Break of structure. Okay. Point of interest. It's very good for like this. Yeah, it's like a supply and demand indicator, like almost the support and resistance, but it shows good lines. Anyway, I like it. I'm gonna leave it there for now. All right, what's happening? Do you have news from our friend that works on Swiss CERN? Marcos, yeah. I don't know. He wasn't here since like almost 2 weeks. Maybe he traveled in time or whatever. I don't know. So he hasn't been here. But I hope he's okay. I hope he's doing great. Targeted 340. I think your target just got hit. Maybe maybe he built a time machine. Anyway, it looks like this trade worked out nice. So we poked into that 5/15 minute area. Look at this. Interesting. Interesting. This was a struggle, this London session, for me to maintain this account. I was down to the 200 something, and then up and down and up, and now I'm up again a little bit, but hey, only with micros. 1469 locked out. Dude, Sarah, that's awesome. Done for the day. Mary, congratulations. Hope you guys made some good profit. If you like the stream, please push the like. Told you we break the downtrend and we'll go. I told you. Holy grail. That's true. That's true. You are absolutely right. You were right. Manual lockout done for the day. Very good, Sarah. Congratulations. Very, very, very good. 8 minutes of fuckery. And then a sudden move. That's what that's my NQ is absolutely mental today. And not just today. The whole week, you know, after that huge drop. Absolutely mental right now. So we're back to this area. Huh. 5/15 minute. break of structure here. I don't know. I mean, you know, if you look at the 5 minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, so bullish candles all around the place. This is suggesting me that it might want to go here to take out this area to the left, you know. This area. Exactly. That area right there. This is the area that it wants to take out. Exactly here. This. So it might want to take out that area. And yeah, it's still going. Huh. But the order block, actually, you know, the 15-minute order block from here, it was played out nicely. It went down, got the reaction, price got the reaction from the order block. Then it took out the order block, swept liquidity, and now it's going higher. So actually the market did its thing, but on the lower time frame it was a little bit crazy. But it did the job so far. I like this indicator, but I'm gonna disable it now for just a bit and see what's going on here. We do have some gaps around the place. Okay. $3.95, $3.96. By the way, if any one of you guys would like to purchase fast track trading accounts, and if you'd like to give some credit to the stream, please click on my link before visiting them or purchasing the account, and that gives some credit. Thank you so much. Forgot to say that. Same goes for Top Step too. I'm sorry, I'm still sleepy this morning. I'm waiting for some kind of a structure to form and to decide where this one wants to go. Otherwise, my code works everywhere. Okay, repricing this 1 minute gap. Why is it still spamming? I mean, I changed the settings on Streamlabs. I don't know why it's doing it. I'm sorry. It spams in like 3 links, and I did change the settings. I got some heat yesterday that it's a little bit spammy, but this morning I changed it, and it didn't really spam all that much. I have to do something else not to spam 3 links after each other. I'm gonna change it. I was patient and waited for my setup, and it's still paying out nicely. Very good. The more patient I am and wait for my setup, that's the key to success here. Yeah, exactly. That's the key to success. You're over 1500, so need to lose 160. Yeah, you need to lose 160 to keep your fit. Yeah, you obviously have to. You need to lose some. You need to lose. Sounds weird, but it is what it is. I'm trying to look for something, but I don't know. We still have a bit of a time from the kill zone, and it started here. That's the 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It might go down and reprice some levels at 35. Let me check it. Or it could go higher. All right, I jumped into a short. Target is 35. No stop loss yet. So let's see what it does. Opening up this candle is 35, so my TP is gonna be 35.25. There you go. All right. I'm gonna have some space for it to breathe. Yeah, it's lifetime. I have multiple. I bought a few accounts as well, and it's lifetime. It says on my dashboard too. So, but even if you purchase it just to YOLO or go quickly with it, you should be seeing it on your dashboard. Let me check it. Oh no, I'm gonna get taken out. No worries. I'm out. All right, great. Wicked me out with one tick. It's the usual. Told you guys this is gonna be a hard day. Hard day. It's been a hard day's night. Yeah, it's lifetime. I'm sure about that. Let me check. Recurring is $17.50. That's what it says. Yesterday, I know the website has some glitches, but yeah. Today was a tough day for Methodical Man. He blew 4 or 5 accounts. 4. Oh. Was it only eval or was it funded? I hope no funded. I wasn't really. I saw that he was streaming, but I wasn't checking with his stats. I didn't check on that. If it's evals, then obviously it's okay. I mean, if funded, he's smart. He's a good trader. He can make it back easy. I think he's a good trader. Dude, I had to jump back. I just had to jump back into a trade. No stop loss. Look at that. It took me out to the tick. And now it's going back down. No stop loss yet. I'm still waiting for price action to show what it wants to do. But at least I want to have the moral victory of 35.25. Oh, thank you, SP. Thank you so much for the support, SP. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, obviously. You have to check always, but it's lifetime. Thank you so much for the support, SP. You are awesome. Greatly appreciate it. What do you trade Bulenox on? I trade NASDAQ, most likely. And sometimes ES, but you can trade everything. Just the same as with TopStep, MyFundedFutures, you have access to CME markets. So he streamed like 30 minutes. Oh, lost 150. Come on, man. Oh, it's going against me. Oh, no. Sorry, you're still fine. Manual lockout because you made the profit. I almost forgot. Okay, this trade is nuts. This London session for me right now is not really the thing I wanted. Yesterday was super successful. Today it's just chopping me up. So it's not going to the places I want it to be. I'm going to add the stop here. And I think I'm going to be out from that position soon. Oh, FX Trophy again. Fast track trading. Whoa. The guy is killing it. $18,000. Dude, what are you doing there? FX Trophy just sent me a screenshot. Making 18K on fast track trading. Look at this, guys. The guy is a machine. He's printing money there. He does this all the time. He comes here, he sends me the screenshot, and then he just goes like Clint Eastwood, you know. That's what he does. I think I'm out from the trade. No, not yet. That's the thing what FX Trophy does here. I really wanted to jump into this one to see that liquidity void down at 35 to be closed or rebalanced. It didn't do it. So obviously after this, I don't know what to do. I know you wanted to lose it. Shorting. We'll ask a payout on Friday. Let's go. Congratulations there. People are starting to love FTT. Yeah, more and more people are trading with them. So if you ever consider to open an account with them, just use my link. Thank you. Or before you purchase anything. Yeah, we have multiple people. My Methodical Man, Crypto Panda, and some others you guys don't know. Not streaming. Got paid out from Fast Track Trading. So they did pay out. No eval process in catch. Yeah. You got mine. There you go, Ina. Congratulations. One account. That is awesome. Good one. Congrats there. Way to go. Way to go. I'm chopping myself up here. I'm just, getting to profits, giving it back. I think it would be better for me to just, just leave it for this session because it's obviously chopping me up. I see some levels that I like, but it's not going there, and it's obvious like it wants to return to premium, and there's obviously an order block higher, but first I wanted to see this reprice lower these levels, but it's not doing it. But it's okay. It's all right. This is a chop session for me. I'm interested in FTT. What are the drawbacks? Well, the consistency rule is 20%, and the payout policy is like 10 minimum trading days, or you can get a payout for after 5 days if you make 20% or 25% of your threshold. I don't even know, something like that. I haven't really interested in that because I was aiming for small profits below the consistency rule. 5% target and 5% drawdown. The payout policies, I mean, if you ask for a payout, it's going to get deducted and you can continue to trade. It's not going to affect your payout if your account gets blown after that. Yeah, paying for the account, need to, wire transfer for now. They said they're going to go with the credit cards soon this month, but they said if they go with credit cards, it's going to be more expensive. So that's all we know. And they're going to have trade await connection. That's what they said from next month. So, and the other drawback is that it's a fairly new company, so we don't know too much about them. Their CEO made some video on YouTube. Seems like a guy who knows what he's talking about, but we don't know really too much. Rhythmic X. If you refer to Rhythmic Pro, I mean, I never traded with the Rhythmic platform. I just use the credentials for the Quant Tower and NinjaTrader. But I know people are like using TradingView for charting, and they're just pushing the button on Rhythmic. It's a little bit outdated platform, I think, to trade and for charting. But use something else. Yeah, Rhythmic. Yeah. Sorry. I knew. I just thought you're referring to TopStep X in a way. So yeah, it's a little bit outdated. I would not advise you to trade with Rhythmic, only if you like have some other software which is doing the charts for you. Otherwise, for charting, it's not so good, I think. Look at this. I closed it with a tiny loss. I had to. I wanted to exit from this trade because I just didn't like it. I just don't like it. I closed the trade. But actually I brought back the account from oblivion into some profit. This was going slowly for me. Yeah, they will stop giving 30% when credit cards are available. Yeah, so if you guys want to get it a little bit cheaper, you can get it until then with wire transfer. And again, if you would like to give some credit to the stream, you can click on my link and it will register your purchase. I closed it and it goes down to 35. That's my luck. There from Apex made video too, and Apex, are you still pending? Yes, I'm still pending. My payout is still pending, but I don't really expect anything until the middle of August to happen. I trade Rhythmic on FTT, very easy. All right, let's go. I might wait till they have trade away. Yeah, they said it has not been officially confirmed. It was just a rumor on their Discord, but they said they're working on it to have it ready for September. Bulenox has level 2 data, I think. Let me check. Hold on. Let me show you. Let me know if this is the one. I'm not sure. So, is this the one? I'm not sure you guys can see it. Bulenox has 4 markets, 1 month, 39. 1 market. Is this level 2 data? I'm not sure. These are the extra market depth data subscriptions that you can get from Bulenox. But I don't know if this is so. So FTT 150 count drawdown is 75A. Target, yes. Yes, I think it's you're saying it right, I think. The 25Ks are very popular, especially with the buy 5 get 1 for free code. It's the B5Go code. You can find it down in the description too under my stream. If you use that code and if you buy 5 25K accounts, you get 1 for free, and that's going to be like $105 for a 25K account. $105 for a 25K funded account instantly, which is, I think, a good price. Lifetime, you know. It's like $600-ish. Fast track trading. Fast track trading. You find the link in the chat or down in the description if you click on it. Instant funded account. It's Streamlabs is spamming the chat there. Instant funded account. It's quote unquote cheap until they don't implement the credit cards. From 340, yeah, possible 1 minute bullish turtle soup could be. It's like a bullish flag. I don't know what to do here with this. It's hovering here. It's a good thing I think I closed the trade. Yes, thank you. Good. You're welcome, GR Motion, by the way. Welcome to the stream. 5 accounts for 105. 6 accounts. I mean per account, SP, per account. Funded account, instant funded account. Fast track trading. If you use the B5Go code, you buy 5, get 1 for free. So you will have 6 accounts, 25K accounts, instantly funded. No evaluation. And with that price, it's going to be $105 per each funded account. Overall, it's like $600-ish, $625, I think, or something. And so overall, it's obviously not that cheap. The code is B5Go. You can find it down in the description, but I can actually log into the chat because I didn't open up and browser. I used to open my chat in the browser. Let me open it. Let me open it. Okay, B5Go. That's the code for buy 5 get 1 for free. And the FTT _30 gives you 30% discount if you purchase 1, 2, 3, whatever accounts, but if you buy 5, you get 1 for free. Maybe, but I don't think I want to hold this on this area. It's a little sketchy. It can also go down, reprice lower. I don't know. That's why I exited that trade earlier. This session for me was a chop. I was in drawdown plus, drawdown plus. It wasn't the same as yesterday. The magic changed. Quant is free. Quant is free. You can, if you want to copy trade between multiple prop firms, then you have to pay a $30 monthly fee for the advanced features, which is the multiple connection feature. But the copy trader built in is free. So as long as you're connecting to one prop firm with Quant, you are able to copy trade at that prop firm between the accounts. So that's free, which is a very good thing. You can get a free copy trading function with Quant at the same prop firm. With multiple prop firms, you have to pay the $30 monthly fee. %30 off. You will get number 4 almost free. You will get number 4 for almost free. Maybe if you purchase 3 accounts with discount, then yeah, the numbers are adding up. Like you will get almost, yeah, that's true. Almost the 4th account could be almost like free. So that's true, but you have to purchase 3 accounts. But if you purchase 5, then you will get 1 for free. Yeah, that's true, Rasmus. So if any time you would like to register with Fast Track Trading, just click on my link. Thank you. Otherwise, guys, I think I don't want to take more trades, because obviously I got some struggles here. I got stuck with this price action, and it's not really doing what I want to do here. So I think I'm gonna call it here and gonna be back for the New York session. It was a fun session. It was real good. We had many viewers. I'm so grateful for you guys for being here. We were over 100 viewers, so thank you so much for that. And I'm going to be coming back for New York, but I'm not going to call out more trades in this because the kill zone is almost ending. I don't see anything that and I don't want to give back this small tiny profit until New York. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if you would like to support the stream, use my codes and links, and I'll be back real soon. All right. So it was real nice to hang out with you guys. Take care. Thank you, Holy Grail, and everybody. More Apex accounts. How is it you connect more Apex accounts? It's simple. Just log in with your Rhythmic connection, and you're gonna see all your Apex accounts on the list. It will list it out below each other. Just log in with Quant with the Rhythmic connection. That's it. All right. See you guys later in New York. Take care. Thank you for the support. Be safe. Cheers, everybody. Yeah, you have to use Rasmus. You need Rhythmic accounts, not TradeAway. Exactly, Rasmus. Go with Rhythmic because you can't log into TradeAway with Quant. All right. Take care. See you, everybody.